Alright chaps, we're here at RRS Rolling Road in the West Midlands. I've asked Chris to have a look at the timing and the fueling of the car.
33 degrees on oil.
What does that mean, Chris?
Really, you want to be about 30 to 32 on full advance.
Okay,
so with that, the advance is now 18 degrees or whatever. That means you're going to be close to 50, which will melt your engine.
We're too far advanced.
Yeah, way too far advanced.
Okay. Glad it didn't melt the engine, man.
Yeah. Can you hold this at 3,000 RPM?
I don't know what 3,000
Yeah,
is.
I'll tell you. A bit higher.
So what, it was doing 50 and now it's doing 33?
Yeah.
Thanks, man. That's worth coming over then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just for that?
That caused big damage, that does.
Is that going to perform better now?
Theoretically, it should, yeah.
Okay.
There's a bit of coke.
Take it out and have a look.
Oh.
Got a place for radio wire.
Have you got the washer there? Is the washer?
No, the washer was still.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
there
washer's in
there is a washer. Sorry.
Oh, you got a washer there as well?
Yeah.
What's that? Is that
You have a washer over the because these early carbs.
Is that a washer there, or is that just the
Oh, so I didn't what it used to be.
Popping and banging,
sounds pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's better now. That's working now.
Oh,
Oh, it is. You know, we'll do it, man. You work.
Knock it off.
Yeah. Let's get it.
Alright.
Tell it.
You
all right, mate?
You got it in already.
Huh?
Got it in the unit already.
Yes, done, mate. Yeah.
Okay, so is it alright?
Yeah, sir. Little please.
What's happened, dude?
Handbrake stuff on.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah. Of all the things to happen now.
Can you release the handbrake, please?
Yep. Anti-theft device. Nobody would ever think of it. Well, she's strapped down. In goes the exhaust. It's the analyzer, isn't it? That?
Again.
There we go.
£139
This is nothing but consistent.
Yeah. Got 139 torque that time, but to be fair, the fueling it wavered a little bit and then went back
to
fine.
normal.
Yeah, so it was literally 200 RPM, and it wasn't that lean. It just started to tail, so I just stopped it the first time, being safe. But,
that's engine horsepower, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good. It sounds good. Like
yeah,
it sounds good.
Yeah.
There weren't no big dips in it, nothing like that.
Is it fueling good then?
Yeah. It is.
Do you think bigger carburettors or bigger chokes?
He's never satisfied, is he?
I've got a pair of.
Yeah. If we say that, it's some 48 SP.
Some big bad boys.
I've got some.
Yeah.
I've got a pair of twin downdraft 48 DRLAs with 41mm chokes.
Yeah.
These are 36mm chokes, so it's a big step.
The 40s and 41mm chokes do work well.
So we come back again another day with that installed, yeah?
When they are low compression, so yours has got that snappiness, and you can hear it as it goes up the rev range. You can hear it like changing note, and it sounds good.
Yeah.
You know, I've run loads of them.
Yeah.
When it's low compression, you get like flat. It's like there's an ingredient missing. So more. I always say it's like whipping a horse. Some cars you've got to whip to get the horse to go, and some just want to take you for the ride, and that's what it is.
You just gently move your legs on that.
That feels like it wants to take you for the ride, sort of thing.
Nice.
So
That's nice.
I think as going faster, lightweight components will help it rev further. To me, that feels like a good usable street engine that you can go and arse about all day long in, and it'll still do it the next day. Any further you go starts costing more and more money, doesn't it?
I think that's a fabulous result, to be perfectly honest.
Result, man. Bigger carbs though, we can try bigger carbs.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
You don't need to ask him twice. He loves it.
Alright, dude. Thank you, mate. That's great. Yeah, she sounds good.
Yeah, it does, man. Well done.
I think we'll sign off. What do you reckon?
Yeah, considering you thought you had 130, then you've got 150.
I had confidence in her. I really did. Nobody else did.
Well, it's done some more miles, it'll loosen up.
Yeah, of course it will.
It's a pretty new engine if you think about it.
It ain't going to do more, is it? As it gets older.
They do.
Yeah, when it's loosened up,
they loosen up. Get a bit more out of them.
Might go up
So
another
they get
2 or 3.
really loose just before they blow up, and that's when you get the most out of them.
Right, chaps, if anyone needs any tuning in the West Midlands, England, RRS Rolling Road, get in touch with us. I'll point you to Chris.